question gives us two equations and says, what is the price per pound of beef when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken? So I want to star this one because that's the one that I want to solve for. And so it wants to know, what is the price of beef when beef and chicken were equal to each other? So let's set these two equations equal to each other. And then solve for x. So let's get like terms on like sides. So this is going to be 235 minus 175 equals 0.4 minus 0.4x minus 0.25x. Now we're in the no calculator section, so this is going to make it a little more challenging. But let's see, 2 and 3, 5 minus 1 and 3, 5. Let's see, that's going to end up being, well, let's see, 1.75 plus 2.5 would get us to 2, and then I need to add another 3 5s onto that, or 0.35 onto that to get me to 2.35. So that looks like it's going to be 6. 0.60 is equal to 0.40 minus 25. So 40 minus 25. 5 will get us to 30, and then we need another 10 to get us to 40, so that's going to be 0.15x. So 0.60 equals 0.15x. To solve for x, I need to divide each side by 0.15. So x is going to equal 0.6 divided by 0.15. And again, without a calculator, my students are flummoxed on this initially. But another way to look at it is to say 15 goes into 60 how many times? I always like to start with 2's because that's easy for me to do. So 15 times 2 is 30, and then I would just need to double that again to get 60. So therefore, 15 times 4 would give me 60. So then x is equal to 4. So I'm going to substitute that into this equation here to get what the price of beef was. So 2.35 plus 0.25 times what we decided x was, which was 4. So that's 2.35 plus 0.25 times 4. So 4 quarters gives us $1. So 0.25, 4 times is 1. So 2.35 plus 1 is 3.35, and that is choice D.